nothing too hard for God. Together with myself and my partner, we plan on touching lives and also potentially working with other people who have the same aspirations and goals and values that we do. The plan is not to be a mega superstar, although it would be nice to make a comfortable living doing it, but
right.